or her username is
Want to
Wizbith,
curl up
but
in a ball and never smile again. A goon? A gown. A gown. Yes,
I,
yes. It's true. Ah.
what am I? Oh, right.
Wait. Wait, did the hiccups just come back?
Did they?
Oh, they did. Oh, these ones hurt though. Ow.
Let's
Ow.
create a
Ah.
bit of chaos.
Ugh.
Okay, so I need to make a.
Ah.
Where is all the Tinker's construct shit?
Ow. These ones. No, it feels so good. I need to mute for a second. No, I don't. I'm just. I'm in so much pain. It's okay though. Ow. Ah, these are like painful hiccups. Ow. I hate that. Ow.
Okay, so
Oh, this sucks.
some Tinker's construct stuff.
Let's see. Okay. Damn, this is like less fun now. Ah. Without hiccups. Without. Oh. That hurts, man. Oh, these hiccups, my guy. I wasn't lying. Oh, with hiccups. They're getting so real. For 2 hours and 45 minutes. Ah, except I've only hiccuped for like an hour and a half of this. We're back. We're back, baby. The hiccups are back. I need to like look up a hiccup cure like now and like try them on stream.
Hold your breath.
Hold my breath. Does that do?
I mean, it's.
Oh, it doesn't do.
What you have to actually.
Wait,
hold
a new
your
clip?
breath.
I'm excited now. Oh, that hurt. Okay.
Yeah. Did they? I want to know how you're getting in the smeltery.
Oh, they did. Oh, these ones hurt though. Oh, yeah, they did. That was a good one. Okay. What's next on the list, my guy?
I am
Getting the platinum? Drink vinegar. Oh my god, no way in hell. Oh, no way in hell. Drink air? Oh. That didn't do it. It just hurts more. Drink air? God. I'll drink water. I got water.
You managed to clip my parents? What do you mean?
Nothing that starts with a put it over a glass of water. Okay? What next? That's a lot of water. A lot of good water, man. Just drink way too much water. My god. Ah. Oh, that only made it hurt more. My gosh.
Is it weird or bad that I'm enjoying this?
Yeah. Also, a new clip. Uh-oh. It's just me drinking water, I bet. Drinking air. Oh, no way in hell. Drink air? Yeah, nah. Doesn't work that well. Drink air? Oh no, it's playing in the background. No, I keep clicking replay. It's okay. It's over. Oh. If you had a tiny Hitler the size of a pencil and he was the Hitler behind all the stuff that happened, what would you do? Pencil. If I've got paper, I've got pencil. I've got paper and a pencil, and I'm gonna smash him and then just I'm gonna use the pencil to just. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm just gonna try to not make it seem like I have hiccups as hard as I can. Elliot, how are we going with the scarab?
I'm doing some stuff.
Ah, yeah. What you up to?
Currently trying to get a thing.
I don't think Gangsta Spirit, Dice, and Hitler's Paradise are the same thing. No, I'm not hiccuping. Not happening. Ah, damn it.
Wait, do you guys want me to put do you guys want me to put him in baby jail?
No, no,
I can do that. I can put him in baby
No,
jail.
don't do it. No. I'm muting away. That's not, no. Ah. So much hiccuping pain. Ah, only the best. Ah. For the hiccup demons.
Okay, hang on. I gotta
No.
do some stuff first.
Okay, yeah, no. Get us the scarab, man. We've worked so hard for the scarab.
I mean, I don't think I'll be able to do that quite yet.
We'll get some platinum then. Magic, my guy, magic. It's the key to everything.
You do realize I am working towards being able to get the stuff we need, right?
No. I didn't. I thought you were just messing around.
No, I'm not an idiot. Like some people.
No, I'm not an idiot. I'm just a,
I need gold. Get out of the smeltery.
I'm not in the smeltery.
Yes, I'm staring at
Oh, right. I forgot about that. Okay, this just got very real. I'm terrified. Okay, no, I'm alright. Oh, yeah. Ah, hiccups. Okay. Baby jail. What is baby jail? I don't like that.
Baby jail's coming in a bit.
Baby jail's coming in a bit. Sounds like a movie. It's called Baby Jail.
Baby jail.
Coming in a bit.
Baby jail will get here as soon as I can. Soon as it can.
Coming to theaters in a bit. Coming to theaters never.
Yeah, I just need to make a cast and then...
I'm just gonna start pounding my chest like a monkey. Clip that, you know? Clip that, you know what I'm saying? I'm mocking you now. Monkey mode. Ow. No. I don't like that you're in creative. Where are you off to now?
If anyone wants to see the creation of Baby Jill, are you following me?
No.
Yes, you are.
No. Hiccups coming in hard.
You have no idea where I am now.
Wait, do you even know how to get back home?
I can.
How?
I'll find a way.
Better hope on that. Bye, Twitch. Bye. Baby jail. I'm so curious what baby jail is. Oh my gosh. Not that fun. Just writhe around in agony on the floor for an hour. That's my next stream idea. Ah. All right. Not even an issue. Not even an issue. Actually, so good. I don't happen to be in here.
Oh wait.
What the hell was that? Why did you say my game mode to
I guess it doesn't really matter.
I did it once and I'll do it again. In fact, I'm gonna do. Oh, what the? Oh shit! Hello there, my little child.
Alright. Baby jail is successful.
Thank you. I was happy about that. I actually don't know how to get home now. So, you know. Not too good, because I don't know where home is, you know. Because you're, like, probably very far away from home.
Oh, 15 million blocks away.
Whoa,
in both
whoa,
X
whoa!
and Z.
How did we get back?
We can just die.
No, I have all my stuff, Elliot.
Okay,
You didn't think this through. You should have built this closer to base.
hang on, you stay here. No, stay here.
I need a map. Alright, what?
Stay here. I'm gonna...
So you just died. And
Yes.
I dropped the pickaxe template.
I have a grave, right?
What would you do if I had a really good looking teacher that was super nice to everyone and she was everyone's favorite? One day after school, you caught her unzipping her skin like a suit. Oh my god. I don't know. Run? Tell somebody, maybe? I think there's some a logical mode of what to do in that situation. Oh no, it's a clip. Oh, that scares me. Oh my god. Baby jail. Brief time. Brief time in baby jail. Ow. These hiccups are getting, like, real painful. Anyway, teleport me back.
Okay.
Bring me back to home.
Hang on. Oh, wrong place.
Ow. I'm still in baby jail.
I heard.
Ow. Oh,
Okay.
wow, yeah. Good day, then. Leave with peace. Oh. I'm back. Thank you. Thank you. All is well. Well, do you want to end stream in 2 minutes, then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why 2 minutes?
Because that'll be exactly 3 hours.
No, it won't.
Yeah, for
Not
me it
for
will.
me.
For me it will. Which is all that matters. I'm the only one that matters, Ilya. The only one.
No.
The only thing in the world that matters is me. All will cower in my excellent existence. Pain from hiccup. I need to, like, go consume, like, I don't know. How do you fix a hiccup? I think normally, like, getting scared works, so I just want to, like, get scared. Ow. Ah, my God.
I do need to go now, though.
2 more minutes. One more minute. Exactly 1 more. What would you do if you came home from a long, hard day of work at the office, exhausted, and when you opened the front door, some kid was riding your dog around your house, and whenever you try to speak to him or the dog, he rides faster? Sheesh, I don't know what I'd do.
I mean, I would probably be worried because my dog is 7 pounds.
That's right, you have a tiny-ass dog. I don't know, I might call the police. Maybe if they can help, I'd be like, yo, what up, officer? There's this kid in my house, and I don't know who he is. And they'd be like, oh, how can we assist you with that? And I'd be like, I don't know.
Get him.
Yeah, come get this little man. He's being a menace to me and my dog. I think that's probably what I would do if I had to
Yeah.
guess. I still have a part of the smeltery in my hands.
Give or just place back, I guess.
I wish I'd just given it to you, because that would have been worse for you, but I did just take it. Oh, okay. 7 more seconds. All right, good guys. Thank you for coming. My advice tonight would be to have fun.
Play this game with
also,
Twitter.
don't hiccup. If you can, and if you do, eat some peanut butter. That normally helps. I think that's what I'm about to go do.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you everyone for tuning in. Join the Discord, guys. Join the Discord. It's great. Good day.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Good day now.